Hi, Dr. Hasina. My name is Yamna Devi Anaputman Chandrasekharan. My metric number is 309594. So today I will explain about the Managed Facility Booking module in the UUM Sport Center Management System. This module is used to manage reservation for sports facilities such as court, hall, or other sports venue. The main objective of this module is to help administrator manage booking efficiently while preventing booking conflict. There are two actors involved in this use case. One is administrator who can create, update, cancel, search, and manage bookings. Second is the staff who can only view the facility booking schedules. This is the use case diagram for the sports center management system. So this use case focus only on managed facilities booking use case. As we can see, the administrator is connected to the managed facility booking function. This use case included five main functions, which is create booking, update booking, cancel booking, view booking schedule, and lastly search or filter booking. Meanwhile, staff only have permission to view the booking schedule. They cannot create, edit, or cancel bookings. This ensures that booking management is secure and only authorized user can make changes. Before this use can begin, there are two preconditions. First, the administrator or staff must log in into the system. Second, the facilities record must already exist in the database. After the booking process is completed, the booking information will be stored successfully in the database. The updated booking schedule can then be viewed by both the administrator and the staff. The basic flow starts with the administrator select the facility booking management from the main menu. The system then displays the booking page. The administrator can perform several actions including creating a booking, updating booking information, cancelling a booking, viewing booking schedule or searching for bookings. After completing the selected action, the system saves the changes into the database and display a confirmation message to indicate that the booking has been managed successfully. Staff member can only access the booking schedule functions. Now I'm going to explain about the business rules and exceptional flow. There are several important business rules for this module. First, the same facilities cannot be booked by more than one booking at the same date and time. Second, bookings cannot be made for past dates. Third, only administrators have permission to create, update, cancel or search bookings. The staff members are only allowed to view the booking schedule. The system also handles several exception cases. If no booking records are found, the system will display a no booking records found message. If the administrator forget to fill in required information, the system will ask them to complete all required fields. Finally, if another booking already exists for the selected facilities and time, the system prevents the booking and display an error message indicating that the facility has already been booked. So that concludes my explanation for the managed facility booking use case. Next, I will hand over to Batrisha who will explain the activity diagram and the complete booking process. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Alia Batrisha binti Azri with matrix number 309959 and I will be presenting the activity diagram of Managed Facility Booking module with requirement ID SCMS06. So for activity diagram, it has two swim lane which is admin and also system, and activity diagram is actually showing the workflow of managed facility booking module. So the process will start when admin access the managed booking facility module. The system then will display all the managed facility booking option. So from the option, admin can choose one of 5 action, which is create booking, update booking, cancel booking, view booking details, and also search and filter booking. For the create booking process, the flow will start when admin enters the booking details, and then the system will check and also validate if any booking conflicts occurred. Okay, after that, if the facility is already booked at the selected date and time, the system will display an error message showing that the facility is unavailable. If the facility is available, the system will save and also will show the success message showing that the booking is already booked. Move to the update booking process. Admin can select from the existing booking record and it will pre-fill with the information before, and also admin can choose which details that they want to change, and then after they make the changes, the system will save if there is no booking conflict. If there is booking conflict, the error message will still pop up, and if there is no booking conflict, the system will successfully save and also display the success message. Continue to cancel booking process. Admin can select from the existing booking and confirm the cancellation. The system then will cancel the booking and also display a success message to the user. For the view booking process, the system will retrieve all the records that has been saved to the system and show to the admin in table form, which is it will include all the record information including booking ID, staff name, facility, date and time. Lastly, for the search and filter booking, admin can enter either facility or date, and the system will retrieve from the booking records and show to admin the matching booking records that they want. So after any of these operations are completed, the process will end successfully. So that's all for the activity diagram.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Divashkar, and today I will present the sequential diagram for managed facility booking. This sequence diagram illustrates how the administrator, staff, facility booking interface, booking controller, and booking database interact to perform booking related operations such as creating, updating, cancelling, viewing, and searching for facility bookings. First, let's look at the participants involved. There are five participants in the sequential diagram. The first two are the administrator and staff who are the users of the system. Next is the facility booking interface, which is the user interface where users perform all booking activities. The booking controller processes every request received from the interface and communicates with the database. Lastly, the booking database stores all booking information and returns data whenever requested by the controller. Now I'll explain how these participants interact. The interaction always begins when the administrator or staff access the Manage Facility Booking module through the Facility Booking interface. The interface then sends a request to the booking controller to retrieve the available booking schedules. The booking controller communicates with the booking database, which retrieves the booking records and sends them back to the controller. The controller then returns the information to the interface where the available schedules are displayed to the user. The first function is create booking. When the administrator or staff wants to create a booking, they enter the booking details through the interface. The interface submits the booking request to the booking controller. The booking controller checks the booking availability with the booking database. If the facility is available, the controller saves the booking into the database. The database confirms that the booking has been saved successfully. Finally, the interface displays a confirmation message to the user. However, if the facility is already booked, the database returns the availability status and the interface displays a double booking error message. So the second functionality is update booking. Okay. The administrator or staff selects an existing booking and updates the booking information. The interface sends the update request to the booking controller. The controller validates the information and updates the booking record in the database. Once the update is successful, The database sends a confirmation back to the controller. Finally, the interface displays a confirmation message to the user. The third function is cancel booking. The user selects the booking that needs to be cancelled. The interface sends the cancellation request to the booking controller. The controller requests the booking database to remove the booking record. After the cancellation is completed, the database sends the cancellation status back to the controller. The interface then displays a confirmation message to inform the user that the booking has been cancelled successfully. Okay. Now the fourth function is view schedule. Okay. So when the user wants to view all bookings, the interface requests the booking schedule from the booking controller. The controller retrieves all booking records from the booking database. The database returns the booking information. Finally, the interface displays the booking schedule to the user. The last function is search for a search of filter booking. The administrator or staff enter the search criteria such as booking date or facility. The interface sends the search request to the booking controller. The controller queries the booking database for matching records. The database returns the search results. Finally, the interface displays the filtered booking results to the user. So the conclusion. In conclusion, the sequence diagram shows how all components work together to manage facility booking efficiently. The administrator and staff initiate all booking operations through the facility booking interface. The booking controller processes and validates every request before communicating with the booking database. The booking database stores and manages all booking records and returns the required information. Finally, the results are displayed back to the user through the interface, ensuring that every booking process is completed accurately and efficiently. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Yassin bin Anwar and my metric number is 303344. So today I will be presenting the collaboration diagram for the managed facility booking functionality in our UUM Sports Center Management System. First of all, let me explain what is a collaboration diagram. A collaboration diagram, also known as a communication diagram, shows the interaction between objects in a system. It focuses on the structural organization of objects that send and receive the message. In this diagram, we have four components. The first is actor, which is the staff or administrator. The actor who initiates the interaction, in this case, the staff or administrator who wants to book a facility. So second, we have the facility booking interface, which is this is the user interface where the staff enters booking details such as facility name, date and time. Then the third one, we have the booking controller, which is this is the controller that processed the booking request. It contains the business logic for managing bookings. So the last one we have here, booking database, which is this is where all bookings record are stored. It handles all database operation. Now let me explain the database table involved in this functionality. We have a table called facility booking, which store all bookings records. Let me explain each column. So there are 5 columns. The first one is ID, which is this is the primary key. It auto increment and uniquely identify each booking records. So the second one is staff name. This stores the name of the staff or administrator who made the bookings. Then we have the facility, which is this stores the name of the facility being booked, such as in example they have code A and then field B like that. Then we have date and time, which is this stores the date and time of the booking, like the table shown here. The system validates each booking request to prevent double bookings. This means that if a facility is already booked at a specific date and time, the system will display an error message to prevent the new bookings. To conclude my presentation, the Managed Facility Booking module is an essential part of UUM Sports Center Management System. It allows staff and administrator to easily book sport facilities without any confusion. The system automatically validates bookings to prevent double bookings and scheduling conflict. This ensures that facilities are used efficiently and no two bookings overlap. All booking information is stored in the facility booking table, which keeps the data well organized and easy accessible. The collaboration diagram clearly shows the interaction between the interface, controller, and database. This makes the system flow easy to understand for both developer and stakeholders. Overall, this module reduces manual workload, minimize errors, and improve the overall efficiency of facility management at the sports center. This is all from me. Thank you for listening.